responding unit, Thatcher and Airline, motor vehicle crash, single car, with injury, on the line with FD now.
US. Copy that. 44's got it. Road. Base. 2 and 6 are off.
Very safe.
7's going out.
See 7.
14's out.
Very safe. That vehicle is active, 03 BMW 525 color gray to it, out of Brewster.
Received. I'll have the operator for you in a second. Base 14.
Go ahead.
If you'd let FC know they're best off pulling in to the left, where the horse farm parking area is.
Received. FD updated.
Base 7.
Go ahead.
Has anyone started a duty hook for this?
Negative. I'll make the call.
Received, thank you. I'm base from 44.
Go ahead.
You can change the address to, I don't have a street address, but it's that horse farm. Right at this location. I don't know if you can dig and try to find a street address. Also, there's a damaged fence. We'll need caretaker information just so they can secure it in case they have horses in the morning.
Copy. North side, you're hooked in. 44 from base. Only one caretaker on file. Message left.
Appreciate that, thank you. North side has that vehicle. Driver transported. Take an AC and AR, please. Over 1,000 with PI.
Be safe.